All right, this dance starts out with the weight on your left foot. You're going to do a right kick forward, right kick out to the side, and then you're going to come back into a coaster step, which is you're just going to shift the weight. So you're going to step back on your right, step next to it with your left, and then put your right forward so that now your weight is on the right. Then you're going to take your left foot, you're going to stomp it beside your right foot, and you're going to do a quarter turn while you're kicking it. Then you're going to bring it back behind and do another coaster step. So now you're going to switch your weight again so that now your weight is on the left. You're going to take that right foot, you're going to bring it forward, you're going to rock, and when you recover back, you're going to do a shuffle while also doing a half turn. As soon as you get to that other wall with that half turn, then you're going to stomp with your left and kick out with your right. When that right comes back down, you're going to hitch that left up and step it next. That's a 7-8. So you have to transfer your weight to your left foot so that you can take your right foot now and do a lock step forward. And a lock step is like a shuffle, except you're bringing your left foot behind your right. And then you're going to do a locking shuffle right after that. Then you're going to go the other direction. Diagonally, left foot, lock step behind, and then a locking shuffle. Then you're going to do a jazz box. You're going to cross your right over your left, step back, stepped over, and then you're going to take your left, step it over your right, step out with your right, clap, and then back to your left, clap, clap, and then you're beginning of dance again.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.